Okay, we're back. We got a pair of Chevys up here looking good. Little MG over there. We just left the bumblebees down there. He's got the Tiger up there on the top. Put a Tiger in your tank. They used to say that at the gas station. That was their logo, put a Tiger in your tank. I like both of these Chevys. That's a 51, 2, 3. Well, this is a 3 or 4. Beautiful. Huh?
The tag looks like it says it's a 52.
52. That's what I thought it was. 51 and 52. There's the orange van again. We done saw that a couple of times. Wonder why he didn't open his hood where we could see what's under the hood. It's automatic. Yeah, Model A Ford. It's beautiful. Nice Ford truck. Watch out for the ant beds. The van, we've seen it at another car show we was at up at Riley's and at the church. Big T's Street Eats. You see that? Hey honey, is that my Big T's Street Eats right there?
1931 Ford Model A.
Yep. She's pretty. That's all original. Well, it's been repainted now. I mean, it's Port Royal car show. Wow. They have them one today too. Port Royal's having a car show. Huh? Oh, next Saturday?
There's already 2 next Saturday, Tybee and...
Oh, Tybee is next.
And Oak Park.
Wow. We saw that truck with that van right there, that whatever you call it, Suburban, was at Riley's the last car show. There was a doodlebug and a sand rail. How you gonna get around that fence?
I don't know.
Don't look like it. I like the Big T Street Eats, so that's cool.